Hello everyone. I wanted to say that something that I really noticed that I really loved is that all the names in territorial.io are actually names of really big empires of kingdoms that actually really existed. And so I've been loving this feature, and there are not like random names of people and so on, because I actually went online and I always look at these really weird names, really weird empires that existed in on the other side of Earth, and I'm loving that. It's a really great feature. I wish every game did this and not used just random names for bots and computer controlled players. So just that, I just wanted to say that maybe the creator of the game will hear this, or the community, and slowly more people are gonna do this. So thank you for being here. Yes, they are all really names of stuff. Bye bye.